What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful GAC EMKOO that we have right in front of us, guys. Just check out the color, man, dude. This color is called Star Lake Green. Love how the car actually looks with all the design finishes of this car. At the same time, the color of this car, dude, the name of it is fantastic. Love the angles and the lights, the way how this car is shooting and angling at. Number plate goes right at the back. Got some chrome finishes happening all over the car. We'll hop right into the driver's side in a while more, but nevertheless, let's admire the car from the front. Then we shall move right in to the interior. Amazing finish. Let's start off with the lights. You do have these amazing lights that are very angular and popping down like this, very sharp. Love the lines that are happening on the front bumper as well, how it's like angular, how the gap is very thin and slowly it's thickening, and then it becomes thicker and thicker over here towards the center. You see what I mean? Beautiful. Now for the bottom bumper, we have these amazing openings right here for air to flow through at the side. You got this chrome lining like here, got some gloss black finishing on this side. You got this matte finish down here together with some black matte finish on this side, silver finish on this side, some air to flow through on this side. Love the lines that are going in this angle, perhaps together with your sensor located right here. Number plate goes right there, 360 right underneath the G logo. Beautiful. Love it. Now let's talk about the front hood. Got some amazing lines that are popping up at the side right here. They come all the way down. Got some lines popping up on this side as well as on this side. Very cool on the left and the right. Nice. Let's go down to the wheels. You have this matte finish that goes at the side right here, continues over the wheel arch, and then we are with the wheels right now. Continental tires. Tire size is 235 55 R19. Two-tone wheels. You got them silver lining on the outside, black finishing on the inside, solid disc brakes on there. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the side mirrors. You got this chrome lining on this side. You got your black housing for your mirror. Your center partition right here is also in black with a mixture of a little bit of chrome lining on this side. Very cool. Signal indicators over here, and also you got your amazing side skirtings in the matte finish as well. So it is kind of cool. Love the lines that go and pop up like that. Very nice indeed. Door handles are right here. Let's open up. Before that, let's take a look at the roof. You got this bright finish kind of a railing on the left and the right with your body color of a roof. Very cool indeed. For this side, let's take a look at the doors. You got some amazing red stitching on this side right here. Handle to open up right here, the door, and also you got your window adjustments up and down, handle to hold to pull to close the door, compartment storage on this side, speakers on this side, powered by DTS. Once again, love the chrome finishing, the bright chrome finishing on this side. Very nice indeed, man, dude. I like it. Ambient lighting, very nice. Let's take a look at the side. You got the EMKOO wording right here, and your seats are in this amazing finish that we have in black and red stitching, man. See what I mean? Superb design, dude. Superb finish. Finishing is really good. Well, this is a brand new car, so I'm not going to be doing much with it, but nevertheless, let's adjust the seats. Seats are electronic adjusted. You got some red lining right here on the seats as well for the backrest. Very cool. Let's hop right into the passenger side. Let's take a look. We have some amazing quality finish of your dashboard. Love the leather finish that's happening all over the place. Even down here as well, you got some red stitching right here. And you have your, I believe this should be your air vent adjustment or some sort of things like that. Or yeah, very cool to on and off. Oof, very huge one to move around left and right. Very nice. Auto adjustments here and there. Maybe the down part right here, compartment storage. You got your wireless charging for your phone on this side. With your drive, reverse and whatnot. P. This one right here should be your engine start stop button together with your warning triangle. Handbrake on this side. Cup holder on this side together with on this side as well. Very nice indeed. Let's pop this up. Compartment storage down here as well, so very cool. Love the steering design. The screen on this part angles straight, so that's different as well. Got some lighting right here. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts this time are in black. Seats are comfortable, very nice. Roof lining are in this fabric finish for the top. You got your lighting adjustments here. You also have your mirror on this side as well. Mirrors are located on this side as well. You got your dash cam for this car right there. Very cool. Let's get right down and open up the rear. passenger doors, and take a look at the door design. You have some finishing on this side which looks really cool. Bright finish for chrome on this side. You got your red stitching on this side, leather finishing on here. You got your handle to open up to open up the doors. Window adjustments on this side, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Compartment storage down here, DTS speakers on this side as well, so very cool. You have your EMKOO wording right here for the side plates. You have, once again, your seats are in this red stitching together with the black. Very nice finish, love it. It's very comfortable at the same time. Now let's just have a seat on the inside, show you guys. Take a look at the space that this car has to offer, man. A lot of space. Let me just put this back, be as comfortable as it can be. So yeah, legroom is good. Fantastic layout for the front, and this is me sitting comfortably. Black seat belts, fabric lining at the top, lighting over here as well. You got your USB-C charging socket down here. You got your air vents on this side, very cool. So let's jump right into the center. You don't have any blocking your feet. Headroom is really good and very nice. Love what people are looking at on here. Amazing setup. So let's hop right down. Up the doors. Let's push this open and head right down and take a look at the rear wheels for this car. Continental tires once again. You do get your two-tone finish of a wheel, some sort of multi-spoke design, silver on the outside, black on the inside. Solid disc brakes right there. 225 55 R19 is the wheel design. Once again, love the wheel arch in this matte finish. Petrol cap should be right there as well. You do have your brake lights for the rear. Once again, I love how angular it looks. Wiper on this side. You get your so-called winglet happening right here for air to flow through on this side. The brake light should be on top right here. Love the bright finish connected railings right there to the back. Looks absolutely nice. Beautiful, man, dude. Love the lines and angles, dude, that are on it. Chrome finish on this side. Once again, beautiful. GAC wording right here on the left. Number plate goes right there. 360 camera, G badge, EMKOO wording. And you have your amazing rear diffuser, which is also having some chrome bits here and there. Underneath here, you got your amazing silver finish of a rear diffuser. Very cool setup. Exhaust pipes on the left and the right. Very nice indeed. Aggressive looking. Very futuristic. Let's pop up the hood and take a look. What are you guys looking at? So of course, you have your, how to say, partition to actually block what people are seeing from the outside all the way in. This, I believe, should be a boot, kind of like a cover for the rear boot. And underneath right here, I believe there should be maybe a spare tire. There we go. Warning triangle and your other repair kits, your tool kits. Very nice. Cool. So seats are able to fold down as well. Let's try doing that. Put this down. Take a look at the space. Of course, this railing can come off if you wish to, but we'll not be doing that today. Take a look once again. Amazing space you guys have right here. Cool. Very nice. A lot of space, man, dude. Beautiful layout. Let's close the rear boot once again. Take a look at the design from the back. Starlight green is the name of the color. Very nice indeed. Now let's take a look at the driver's side. Open up the doors, and this is what we're looking at. Red stitching on this side, you got some chrome lining on this side. DTS sound system right here, premium finish on the up right here, together with the bottom right here. Handle to hold, to pull, close the door. You got some child lock, window adjustments for the front, for the back. Unlock and lock, handle to pull to open up the door. Love the lighting on the inner part right here. Compartment storage down here, DTS speakers right here, EMKOO wording right here, side plates, oh, sport pedals, and looking very nice, man. Brake pedals and the accelerator pedal as well. Let's hop right into the driver side, and you're able to see your left and right mirror adjustments, height for the front lights, boot opening and closing. Love the setup of the steering wheel. The seats feel absolutely comfortable. Oh, very nice indeed. So cruise control and whatnot, lane keeping assist, steering assist and things like that. So very nice adjustments right here. G badging right there. Love the chrome finish on this side. Red stitching in the inner part of the steering wheel. DDC marker in black. Once again, what I'm seeing is nothing blocking my view. So very cool indeed. Love the center. Got some compartment storage happening down here, together with your USB-C, together with the Type-C as well. So got with some charging sockets right there. Amazing, huge storage space. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front. Just the seats a little bit forward, and yeah, comfortable, very very comfortable indeed. Seat belts are in black. Nice. So now let's turn on the lights. Show you guys how does the light look like. Let's take a look from the front. Whew. Love how angular and sharp the car actually looks with this. Absolutely nice, man, dude. Love the lights. Can you see that? The DRLs, how sharp they are looking, how it goes on this side, 3 dots, 3 lines. Then on this side suddenly it's like sharp and comes back down. So beautiful look, beautiful appearance. Now let's take a look at the rear to show you guys how does the back look like. Get some lines popping up here, come back down here. Very cool indeed. For the side right here, and also down here. Very nice. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does the signal light turn to be right here. Now for the side mirror, you notice there is one line that pops up like that. Very cool indeed. For the bottom here, you get this whole side of the car becoming this particular design for the turn indicator, and your DRLs automatically shut off. Very cool setup. I like it a lot. Very nice indeed. Let's turn off the hazard lights. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about GAC cars, do head down to Petaling Jaya, where you can locate the showroom. Very beautifully set up. They have tons of other cars on display as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.